Blood. Stone. Bloodstone? Bloodstone. Bloodstone is a dark green gemstone with red spots. Birth. Right. Birthright? Birthright. A birthright is a right or privilege someone has from birth. Black. Head. Blackhead? Blackhead. A blackhead is a clogged skin pore with a dark surface. Neck. Breakneck? Breakneck. Breakneck describes an extremely fast and dangerous speed. Button. Hole. Buttonhole? Buttonhole. A buttonhole is a stitched opening that holds a button. Cockpit. Cockpit? Cockpit. A cockpit is the area where an aircraft is controlled. Crackpot. Crackpot? Crackpot. A crackpot is a strange person with unreasonable ideas. Dog. Catcher. Dog catcher? Dog catcher. A dog catcher is a worker who collects stray dogs. Flapjack. Flapjack? Flapjack. A flapjack is a thick pancake. Foot. Race. Foot race? Foot race. A foot race is a running competition. Gun. Powder. Gunpowder? Gunpowder. Gunpowder is an explosive powder used in ammunition and fireworks. Hand. Spring. Handspring? Handspring. A handspring is a gymnastic move performed through the hands. Head. Strong. Headstrong? Headstrong. Headstrong means stubborn and determined to do things your own way. Horse. Hair. Horsehair? Horsehair. Horsehair is hair taken from a horse's mane or tail. Kingpin. Kingpin? Kingpin. A kingpin is the most powerful person in a group. Mouth. Piece. Mouthpiece? Mouthpiece. A mouthpiece is an object placed in or against the mouth. Nightcrawler. Nightcrawler? Nightcrawler. A nightcrawler is a large earthworm, often used as fishing bait. Ringmaster. Ringmaster? Ringmaster. A ringmaster directs and presents a circus performance. Shipmate. Shipmate? Shipmate. A shipmate is another member of the same ship's crew. Stonecutter. Stonecutter? Stonecutter. A stonecutter is a worker who cuts and shapes stone.